Watch closely.
That's disgusting!
All right, your turn. That was pitiful. Get some leverage to it and use your arms. Arc your neck. Can you see the range on that thing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go.
Don't you just love it when your man farts under the covers and then lifts it up for you to smell it? Oh, if only you could bottle that smell. Well, now, from the makers of Shake Weight, we have Manhole. Ooh, that smell. Don't you love that smell? Ooh, ooh, that smell. Booty, booty, fresh and fruity. Manhole.
Mother! That's disgusting!